Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to archive and unarchive messages in Gmail. So this is handy to do if you don't want to delete a message. You can archive it so it will still be available to look at later, but it will get it out of your inbox if that's what you want to do. So I'll show you how to archive. When you're in your Gmail inbox, find the message you want to archive. Then you're going to select it. Then you're going to go to the top and you should see an archive tab. So clicking on archive archives that message. If you want to find it again, I'm going to use the search bar. I'm going to write in : archive. Then I'm going to press enter and it takes me to my archive messages. So I can see there's the message I just archived. So if I want to move it back to my inbox again, I can select it from there and click on this one, which is move to, and then move it back to my inbox. And that's been moved back to my inbox again. Let's have a look. Here we go, it's back in my inbox. So that's how to archive and unarchive messages in Gmail. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.